Hello guys, welcome to Crypto FX. I've made a video where I showed people how to create accounts with Binance. I also made a video where I showed you guys how to receive and send coins with Binance. I also made it clear to you that due to the government policies in countries like Nigeria, we can't buy and sell Binance directly like we did in the past with our cards. You can only do that with P2P, which I will be making a video on that. So what you can do is you can send and receive, and I also showed you how you could do that. Even if you're using the P2P platform, you need to know how to send and receive so that you can actually receive your coin or send your coin depending on what you're doing. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to convert your coins. And before you know how to do this, you need to know how to buy and sell and the rest. I'll be dropping the link of the previous videos in the description so that you can watch them if you've not watched them. So this video we'll be talking about how to convert coins. People receive different denominations of coin and different assets, and you need to convert it maybe from BTC to USDT or from USDT to BTC. You need to convert it for the purpose of which you got it for. So you need to convert it. So in this video, what I'll be doing is I'll show you how to convert your coins. The same principle. Regardless of my example, once you get how to do it, you can apply it for any coin whatsoever. So in this video, I'll be converting BNB, that is Binance Smart Chain token, to USDT. So let's get to the business immediately. So this is my Binance platform. This is my Binance platform. I've created my account, it's verified. So first thing what you want to do is that you move, this is the interface of the Binance platform. What you need to do is you need to go to wallet below the screen. You can see where they wrote wallet, features, trade, market, home. Is on home now. So we click on wallet. So when you click on wallet, it shows you the different assets you have. You can see I have BNB. That was why I choose it for this example. I have BNB, I have VET, I have Luna, and the rest of them. So what you want to do is you click on BNB. This is a very simple thing to do on Binance. It's very simple, very simple. So once you click on the coin you want to do, it brings you to something like this. You can see on my screen, it brings you to a page like this. You can see BNB USDT, you can see BNB BTC, you can see BNB BUSD. So it depends. You can see BNB Ethereum, you can see Solana BNB. So it depends on what you're converting to. So for the sake of this video, we are converting BNB to USDT. So you click on BNB USDT. When you click on it, it brings you to something like this on the screen. So you click on sell. Converting is selling. So you're selling the BNB to USDT. So you click on sell. Click on sell. I'm selling everything, so I will click on 100%. I'll click on 100%. If you're selling half, you click on 50%. Then if you're not sure, you can put in the amount you want to you want to sell if you have the amount in mind. But I want to sell everything. If you want to sell 75%, fine, you can click on 75%, but I want to sell everything, so I'll click on 100%. So I'm selling everything I have. I'm converting everything. Sell is just like converting this contest. So I'm converting everything I have. Let us go back. Let us start from afresh. So you get it. This is This is my Binance platform. I'm already on wallet, and I have BNB. I've received BNB from someone. So what I do is I click on BNB. When you click on BNB, you can see different assets paired together. We have BNB USDT, we have BNB BTC, we have BNB BUSD, we have BNB Ethereum. So I'm converting to BNB USDT so that the coin will become stable. It doesn't rise and fall again. I want to make it stable. So once I've gotten to BNB USDT, as you can see on the screen, you click on sell. Sell is like convert in this context, like I've told you earlier. So I want to convert everything, so I click on 100%. If you're not converting 100%, you can click on 75%. If you're not converting 75%, you can click on 50%. It depends on amount you want to convert. But me, I'm converting everything, so it's 100%. Then you click on sell. Order created. And another thing, make sure it's on market. Make sure it's on market. If you see this place, you can see limit, market, stop limit, trailing stop, OCO. Make sure it's on market, please. Make sure it's on market. If it's not on market, it won't work immediately. Limit means you're setting it at a certain target. Stop limit means also at a certain target. But if you're doing it instantly at the moment, click on market. To avoid confusion, make sure it's always on market. Then I've already done it and it has gone. So you go back to wallet, you find out that this $42 after charges has gone to USDT. You can go back to the wallet. You can see, let me refresh it. Refresh the page. Network timeout. Check your network status. Network was disturbing, but this is it. You can find out that this $46 in BNB has been converted to USDT. So the conversion was successful. And if you want to convert it back to USD to BNB, you apply the same principles. So the money is now in USDT, Theta USD. So Theta US, sorry. So this is how you convert from different coin with the Binance. So it's very easy and anybody can do it. So guys, until next time, I wish you good luck and good trading.